The following video will show you how to take a breath sample with a BioVoc 2. The BioVoc 2 is a breath sampler that captures a portion of expiratory breath for transfer to sorbent tube for analysis via thermal desorption. To sample, you will need a BioVoc 2, a conditioned sorbent tube with long-term storage caps, a cap lock tool, and replacement mouthpieces if required. Place the disposable cardboard mouthpiece over the nozzle of the BioVoc 2 cap and provide the sampler to the subject. The subject should exhale into the sampler. The mode of exhalation will vary according to the study protocol. In our case, the subject was instructed to breathe naturally into the BioVoc 2. After sample collection, place the bung into the tip of the BioVoc 2 body and remove the mouthpiece. Ensure you do this as quickly as possible to minimise loss of sample and prevent diffusive ingress of air into the BioVoc 2 body. Next, screw the plunger into the end of the non-return valve. Using the cap lock tool, remove the long-term storage caps from the conditioned sorbent tube. Remove the bung and attach the sampling end of the sorbent tube to the tip of the BioVoc 2 body, so that the sampling arrow is pointing away from the BioVoc 2. Push the plunger steadily through the length of the BioVoc 2 to displace the trapped air sample onto the tube. This should take approximately 5 to 10 seconds. Wait 5 seconds and then remove the sorbent tube from the BioVoc 2. Seal with long-term storage caps to secure your sample for short-term and long-term storage. Once your tube is sealed, flush the BioVoc 2 by pulling and pushing the rod plunger in and out 3 times. Return the piston to the end cap and unscrew the plunger. If the study protocol requires, you can take a repeat sample. To do this, place a new disposable cardboard mouthpiece over the nozzle of the BioVoc 2 cap. Provide the sampler to the subject and repeat as before. For more information, visit marks.com.